All right, got this great 12-piece shot glass set, acrylic shot glass set. This is made of these are made of high quality plastic. They are they hold about 1.2 ounces, a little bit taller than your average shot glass, and then maybe a little narrower, a little skinnier. Total of 12, 4 different messages on each. They're funny messages. These are great for, I'll read them in just a second, but they're great for if you're gonna be having a party soon, or maybe you normally have parties, or maybe you just want these just in case, because that's always good to do too. Just have these just in case. But the messages on them, I'll show you. This one says, when life gives you lemons, use them to take shots. Funny. This says, in alcohol's defense, I've done some dumb things sober too. True. That's very true. We've got friends don't let friends take shots alone. That's also true, although I will admit I have done shots alone. But maybe I was an alkie at the time and I just didn't realize it. But yeah, friends don't let friends take shots alone. That's a good one. Very true as well. And this last one, alcohol won't solve your problems, but it is worth a shot. So yes, do a shot to that. So these are funny, great, party it up. Highly recommend.